Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't been posting quite a lot on my videos. I've been working on my shorts more, but today we are going to be rating my fidgets, and trust me, I have a lot of fidgets. So let me just get it out. I have a box of it, so the box is here. And yeah, so I think I might edit this if I have time. So yeah, but first these homemade squishies that I made out of sponges in 2022. I think I'm gonna give them like 5 out of 10 because they're not really that squishy, but they're nice and foamy. And I like the cute designs. So 5 out of 10. Next one we have is this unicorn dimple. And I think I might give this a probably I really like it because first it's it's a unicorn theme, and I really love unicorns, and I like how the pops make it sound, so 10 out of 10, of course. Now I'm gonna do this Among Us puppet. I actually started collecting fidgets from the I think it was the end of the end somewhere in 2021 November. I think I started collecting them, but yeah, I actually got this one from a fair last time, and I think I might give it a 10 out of 10 because I love, and it's like a kind of, is it like I think it's like a greenish kind of color, and it's really nice and satisfying how the pops make sounds. So, now I'm gonna see. Let's do this fidget that I found. I don't know if it's actually a fidget, but I thought it could be a fidget, and it's quite useful, so 1 out of 10. And it hurts my hands a bit, but anyways, this mini thingy-majiggy, I forgot what was it a pop tube? I can't remember, but this is a mini version. This is the large version, which we're going to be doing in a minute. So 3, 2, 1. That was okay. 10 out of 10. Yeah, definitely 10 out of 10. So big version now. That was nice. Oh my god. But anyways, this like oval squishy. I actually bought this in Gisela Park. So yeah. And I think I'll give it, my other friend has, that I went to last time with her, and she has the exact same one, but this part broke, so now she just has the head of it. She just has like this, guys. So I don't know if she still has it. Maybe she does. But anyways, next one is, what can I do this one. I actually bought this one in Italy last year in 2022. to in the summer. Many will be I think I might give this one an 8 out of 10 because the pops are a little bit too small for my fingers. So yeah, but I also like it how it's like a fidget spinner. So come back for part 2.